So this is a fantastic natural anti-aging facial oil. So what we're using here is rosehip oil, very high in vitamin C, very nourishing to our collagen, helping our elastin as well, and helps the anti-aging process. We also have frankincense, which is a natural anti-inflammatory, really helpful for regenerating our collagen, and lavender, which is an antiseptic. So this is great for aging skin, but it's also great for acne, scars, and inflammation. So I have about a tablespoon of the rosehip oil in my little jar here, as well as 2 drops of the frankincense and about a drop of the lavender. And now I'm going to mix this up. So you can store this in a little glass jar, and you can use this every night after, again, you've cleansed and toned your skin. So now I'm just going to use this directly on my skin. From my jar, I may pour it out into my hand and then rub it nicely all over my skin. And it is so nourishing and really has those wonderful anti-inflammatory effects, but also is really helpful for the collagen.